these are just my little smokies, and we only need one in each of our little muffin tins, so we can go ahead and grab any extras. Maybe we'll leave 2 in a few of them, just, you know, for a fun surprise. All right, now on top of those little smokies, I'm gonna grab some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you like, but I'm just gonna add a little squirt right on top of my little smoky, just like this. Today we're making a super delicious and southern appetizer dinner. Whatever you wanna make it for, it's gonna be a hit. So this is all in my greased muffin tin. I'm just gonna add some barbecue to each smoky. Ooh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. All right, now for our next step, we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side and grab a bowl and a whisk. Yum, yum, yum. And I have some of the best cornbread mix you can buy. The Famous Dave's original recipe. I have not yet tried this one, but I've had Famous Dave's cornbread, and it is something to talk about. Okay, go ahead and use this whole package because this is for 12 muffins, which is what we're making. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my 1/3 cup measuring, and I have some whole milk here because we need 1/3 cup of whole milk for this cornbread. Perfect. Now I'm gonna grab 1/3 cup of water. The water got a little milky because the milk was just in there. Beautiful. Last but not least, 1 egg. And that's it for our cornbread. Beautiful, no shells. Go ahead and give this a nice quick mix because our oven is ready. I have the oven set to 425 because we want these babies to cook nice and quick. Ooh, look how delicious that cornbread looks. Now you could make homemade cornbread if that's your style. This is as homemade as it gets for me. And plus, if it tastes just as good, why bother making it homemade? Oh yeah. Okay, this came together super nicely. Ooh yeah. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and grab our muffin tin back. Now I'm gonna grab my ice cream scooper, and we're gonna go ahead and scoop this cornbread mixture right on top. Ooh yeah, this is gonna be so good. And that's why we needed to grease our muffin tin, because this cornbread is just gonna pop right out with that pan we sprayed. Oh, look how those little smokies are just floating in that delicious cornbread. This is gonna be amazing. And like I said, this cornbread does make 12 muffins. And then when your guests bite into your cornbread, they're gonna get a little smoky surprise. And that barbecue sauce is just gonna be extra sweetness to add to it. All right, oh no, we're getting down to the wire, you guys. It's okay, some of them will be a little smaller in the back. Doesn't hurt nobody, right?
Yeah, it doesn't hurt anybody.
Okay, let me grab a spatula so we can really fill up that last one. Look, I have the perfect spatula.
That's funny.
Okay, so we want 12 muffins, you guys.
Is it gonna work?
Yeah, it's totally gonna work. I'm gonna make it work.
I don't think you have enough.
I have plenty. She's just gonna be a small one. That one will be for the dogs or something.
Hey, dogs can't have barbecue sauce.
I'm just kidding. All right, we did it. That's gonna be good enough. Now, before we pop these in the oven, I do have one more thing to add, and that is some cheddar, because I personally love cheddar on my cornbread. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheddar on each one, and that's just gonna make a nice, cheesy top to our cornbread. Ooh, these are gonna be so good. I just love making cornbread in new ways. And having those cornbread mixtures just helps it make it even easier for me to test out these fun little recipes. I mean, I've seen people do this with hot dogs, but I've never seen them do it with the little smokies, which I think is so genius. I mean, you don't even have to cut up a hot dog or nothing. You can just put your favorite little smoky right into your cornbread.
Ooh, these look so good with the cheese.
Yep, it needed that cheese. All right, now like I said, my oven is set to 425 and these are gonna cook for only 18 minutes. It's gonna be so delicious and so easy.
Ooh, so fast.
Look at these little cheesy cornbread pieces of heaven.
Oh, they look good.
Ooh, and look at that little barbecue sauce peeking through. Okay, we have to go ahead and pop one of these out. Remember, I greased the pan, so they should just come right out. Just make sure.
Moment of truth.
Woo, I'm just gonna put it all the way around to ensure success. Woo.
Oh my gosh, they're perfect.
Okay, that one looks so good. Let's cut into it so we can see those little weenies in there.
Does this one have one or two?
We'll find out. Woo. Ooh, we got a twofer.
Oh, it's
Ooh,
perfect.
it looks so good. Oh my gosh, obviously you don't have to cut yours. It'd be much cleaner, but I'm so ready. It's hot.
Is it good?
That is so good, you guys. You have to try it.